I'll pass that along to anyone. But what my wife did was she labeled the boxes, bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, master bedroom, kitchen, living room on the boxes. And then at our new place where we were moving to, she put the paper and labeled the doors, bedroom number 1, 2, 3, and so on, and throughout the house. So anyone coming in with the box knows where to put the box. So it made it, I don't want to say seamless, but it certainly made it a lot more. It was more organized.
Yeah,
certainly.
like less chaotic. Of like people just putting boxes wherever. It's like, just put it, like just fit it. Like it's that's how I usually move when I help people.
And I'm sure you're not alone.
Oh yeah.
I bet you a lot of people go about doing that, but we found that to be really helpful. It cuts down on your unpacking time because you're not looking for certain boxes. A lot of the times I've seen people just throw all their boxes in the garage. Is a very popular move. Yep. And then it's almost like moving twice because then you have to go into the garage, grab the box, take it to and you don't have any help. But on moving day, you have all this help. It makes it so much easier. It makes it kind of seamless, which